Nice mo bang alamin kung ano ang personal pronoun? Panoorin ang bidyong ito upang malaman mo. Keep on watching to learn something. Good day, kids! This is your teacher Sheshe, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to have a new lesson. But before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? Are you ready? Come on, let's start! What is a personal pronouns? It is a words used to replace the name of persons, groups, or things. Sa Tagalog, ito ang panghalip panao at kinagamit na pamalit sa pangalan. Pronouns are helpful because we won't have to keep repeating the same nouns again and again. Ang pronouns ay makakatulong upang hindi na natin paulit-ulit na gamitin ang isang pangalan. Here are the most common personal pronouns. The first one is I, which refers to the person speaking, or ako, na tumutukoy sa taong nagsasalita. Example, I love to play with my pet. Ako yung nagsasalita, kaya I ang ating ginamit. Next one is you, which refers to the one spoken to, or in Tagalog, ikaw, na tumutukoy sa taong kinakausap. Example, you are the leader. Ikaw ang pinuno. Next one, she, which refers to a girl spoken about. Ito ay tumutukoy sa babaeng nagsasalita o pinag-uusapan. Princess dances gracefully. Because princess is a girl, we can change princess into she. She dances gracefully. Next one is he, which refers to a boy spoken about. Ito ay tumutukoy sa lalaking nagsasalita o pinag-uusapan. Example, Armand opened the big blue box. Since Armand is a boy, we can change Armand into he. He opened the big blue box. Next one is it, which refers to animals or things spoken about. Ito ay tumutukoy sa hayop o bagay na pinag-uusapan. Example, the box is filled with toys. Since box is a thing, we can change box into it. It is filled with toys. Next one is we, which refers to many person speaking, o tayo, na ginagamit kapag higit sa isa o marami ang mga taong nagsasalita. Example, my sister, cousin, and I enjoyed watching TV. Since there are many persons speaking, we can use we. We enjoyed watching TV. Last one, they, which refers to more than one person is spoken about, o sila, na ginagamit kapag higit sa isa o marami ang taong pinag-uusapan. Example, the children have a ticket. Since there are many children spoken about, we can change children into they. They have a ticket. Kids, remember this. Ang I, you, he, she, at it ay singular o iisa lamang at ginagamit sa mga singular noun o pangalan na iisa lamang. At ang we at they naman ay mga plural o higit sa isa at ginagamit sa mga plural noun o higit sa isa na mga pangalan. And now kids, let us see if we learned something in our lesson for today. Let us try this. Change the words in the parentheses with the correct pronouns. Did you get a perfect answer? Can you comment down your score? Thank you, kids! And that is a personal pronoun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Keep safe, everyone. God bless us all. Bye-bye.